Hello. Today we're gonna change the oils of Kawasaki Z900 motorcycle, and this is the model of 2018 and it's very simple procedure. First you have to have a oil container down under the motorcycle, and then the first step after that is to open this bolt. This is the oil base bolt and it will drain the bike immediately. Before we gonna do this procedure, you have to actually use this bike for a couple of minutes so the engine is hot, so the oil will drain easily. The right tool for this is 17 mm. And then we will turn this to the counterclockwise so we can get this bolt open, and we just gonna use our hands to open the rest of it, and the oil will start flowing, and it will take some time depending how warm your engine is to drain the oil here in the bucket. The next step is to open oil filter down here. It's quite convenient place to be, and we're gonna use this oil filter wrench to open it. And here we go, and open this oil filter also. It is pretty nasty and contains a lot of oil, and we're gonna put this here, waiting for, and when it's done we can put a new filter there. Then we will use a new bricka. We'll put the new bricka in place. It's very tight. And the right torque fit is 29 Newton meters. When you put it back on, it's 29 Newton meters. The motor oil is very good option is this 7100 module 10W40. And before we gonna install our new Coet N oil filter, and the amount of oil is 3.6 liters when we are changing this oil filter as well. I poured a little bit of oil here in the bucket, and now I'm spreading it to the lips of the oil filter so it will get a nice touch. We're gonna put that oil filter straight to the Compton here. It will be 17 Newton meters of torque. Then we open this oil plug, and then we put tratti here, and we're gonna fill this up all the way to 3.6 liters. This is very slow and it will take forever. Okay, I think it's great now, and when we are starting the bike it might go down a bit because oil filter is eating also a bit. Some people are filling the oil filter first, but I think it's a bit messy, so it's easier to do this way. And now we will take the tratti vittuun here. We will put this cap back on, nice and firm, and that's it. Now we're just gonna start the bike and see if the oil level drops. We're gonna add some more and then it's done.